So we're here on a somewhat beautiful Sunday afternoon.
It's pretty.
It's dry.
I like it. It's raining earlier.
Finally working on our garden beds, getting the paths put in for real. And then Mandy and Jordan are working on what?
We're planting blueberries in a bed that has a lot of wood in it to imitate bogs and forest floors.
Yeah, so we've got an evergreen blueberry here, and we have a really nice, I think a fruit tree stump that we got off the side of the road. And what we're going to do is we've soaked the roots in mycorrhizal fungi mix from Fungi Perfecti.
Yeah, it's the stuff MycoGrow that Fungi Perfecti uses and sells. And it has endo and ectomycorrhizae, which are the fungi that live on the surface of some plant roots, and also some of them live in the cells inside of the plant roots. And they help the plants expand out their surface area and grab nutrients. So all plants, it seems like, need some kind of associated fungi, and this is one of the best ways of doing it. And you only need a teaspoon for a gallon of water to make it useful for plants. It doesn't take a lot.
Because it's not just an issue of how much nutrients are in the soil, it's whether or not the plant can actually get them. And so we're going to put it inside this beautiful stump. We put some coffee grounds in there too because blueberries like it. And we're hoping that the blueberry will like living in a stump as much as like huckleberries like living in stumps, because that's where we see them in the forest, which gave us the idea that maybe we should try it with a blueberry in here.
And it's really common for vaccinium, like huckleberries and blueberries, to grow in nurse logs. So when we found these hollow logs, it made so much sense.
Yeah, and then we think this will be sort of like a hugelkultur bed, except for it'll be like a hugelkultur pot almost for the blueberry, because the stump will hold water and water the plant when it gets dry.
Hugelkultur pot. You may have just invented a term, actually. That's
Hugelkultur pot?
yeah, that's cool.
Yeah.
That's a thing.
Are we ready to water, or should we
Yeah, go ahead.
add a little bit more?
Use a little water.
So you're putting the water on the other side?
I'm putting it in.
Oh,
They're
perfect.
Soaking the whole thing.
They're totally connected, so I'm just filling it up with some water. We've buried it in the ground.
And it's beautiful.
It has all this mycorrhizae and should be happy.
Ta-da!
We'll do a second video to show.
Yeah, when it's
how it turns
actually
out.
blooming.
Yeah.
All right.